4, 3, 2, 1. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Spiked by the boss.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Gate.
Five, 4, 3,
Freedom.
2, 1.
He's too far. Fucking snare. We're gonna have to kill extra tentacle. Your next channel we need. Keep killing tentacles.
High.
Fart.
One more tentacle after this. Make sure we're still lasting at the same time, Dunk.
5, 4, 3, 2.
One more. Coming up soon. No. No, no, no.
Select.
Boss.
Just you being so.
Oof, look at that damage.
85?
Yo, phase up, boys and girls.
That timing was god.
Just gotta miss a tentacle every time.
Spread.
This tentacle is gonna hurt me here. It's gonna hurt, gonna hurt. Can't use anything.
5, 4,
Good.
3, 2, 1. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Big move.
High.
Away, up top.
3, 2, 1.
Coming up soon.
Holy shit, can you delay a tiny bit?
Yeah, yeah. I'm stopping.
Stopping.
Okay, you're good, you're good, you're good, you're good, you're good, you're good.
Going.
Boss, boss, boss. Feet.
15 Sandy.
You're fine with 15.
Just me and Lens. Knocks, knocks, knocks. Good.
Don't scuff the god pull.
Yo,
Oh,
Armin,
his
Armin,
HP is solo. Let's.
Alright, just
please
focus
kill
on
him.
not dying. We'll be fine. Same as last pull.
Stab. Debuff. Left.
Getting to the right here.
Debuff.
Spread.
I'm real far. You
Right.
Inch right,
Close.
inch right.
Close.
Is X fine?
That was a lot of sanity loss for me there.
You're at 50, you'll be fine.
Debuff. Add. Stack.
Immunes.
Right.
Watch the beam.
Tough ones.
Add.
Oh, this might be bad. Get away from the ads if you can.
Stack.
Okay, good, good, good.
Spread out.
Spread, spread, spread. It should be fine. If you have to die, it's whatever.
Yeah, I just,
It's fine. PS. Watch me here. I might get spiked. Just kill the ads to be safe for me. This is really
And
sketchy.
cleave
right now.
handy.
And John.
Oh, this might be bad.
Stack. Stack.
Kill the other one. Kill the other one. Res them both. Those two necks on them.
Sack there.
Look at the gateway to the left.
Remember
Clicking
that?
in
That's
5,
Five,
4, 3, 2, click.
1.
Make sure you're topped going into this blast.
You have your neck right, NKZ?
Yeah.
Okay. Wall. Wall, 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 wall. Spread. Don't die here. Second group clicks. Got it. On the wall, 5 seconds to explode. On the wall, on the wall, on the wall. We need some more damage on this guy, just not much. Don't commit too much, but we do need damage. NKZ, you're clicking here. Last group.
Debuff.
You might get a couple ticks of dark matter. Keep pumping. Kill him, kill him, kill him. As soon as they, we don't have an explosion. Spread now for dark matter in case it goes off. We're gonna get a tick. Don't die, don't die, don't die, don't die. Wait, don't click it yet. Wait, 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 wait. Get up here. Clicking in 3, 2, go. Hold W.
Add.
Get to the left of the soak here.
Stack.
Make sure you stay in barrier.
Debuff. Right.
Remember, you have to go right. You have to go fast right here. Don't go past triangle. Don't go past triangle. Don't go past triangle. Make sure you're in whatever link here.
Debuff.
Spreading out after.
High.
Far.
Gotcha, gotcha.
Far. Give people space. We're fine. This next puddle is the one you're dropping back into the right. This is the one you want to use health stone, health pots, all that shit on.
Second pot.
Debuff. Add.
First immunes, get ready. Be careful if they start casting back there.
Stack.
First, that's immunes, that's immunes.
Left.
Watch these lasers, watch these lasers.
Up and to the left after you drop. Watch the lasers.
Add.
Don't soak these.
Stack. Right.
In melee.
Res lens. PS, PS, PS.
I have to kill myself, Nikali, sorry.
Stay here, stay here.
Stay,
on left.
hey.
Bop, 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 bop. Cocoon, cocoon, cocoon. Just boss, just boss, just boss.
Nikali, don't talk. Nikali, don't talk. Please. To the boss.
Thank fucking God.